Well, what's up to all my chicken grease junkies out there on YouTube land? This is Bashami71 coming at you from the Chicken Grease Garage, trying to do this video for the third time. I guess I have very minimal space in my phone, so I'm gonna have to make this fast. There's the Bega, got a Hellfire 72 Bega that I just did. My 66 Pro Street. Ford Mustang, and my 41 Wallace Gasser, collaboration between myself and Martin Zeller. Martin Zeller painted the car and I put it together. Well guys, these are my three cars. Awesome cars. You need to get a kit of this one. If nobody's built this car, you need to find the kit and do it. I'm gonna see if I can find a couple more kits of this car and redo this car again, but in a different style. Bega, I'll probably do another Bega. Mustang, I don't know. That one's something. That was a lot of work that went into the car. A lot of work went into all these cars, man, to get them like this. You know, these cars don't come out of the box looking like this, as you can see. None of these cars come out looking like this. Well, my brothers, I hope you guys liked the video, like the cars. So till next time, my brothers, this is Bashami71 saying peace, and you know it, chicken grease. Laters.